I'm going to go over the steps to replace a triple switch, and most triple switches are going to have one dark colored screw terminal and three light colored screw terminals. The hot line wire coming from the service panel will be connected to the dark colored screw, and the three load wires going up to your light, or in this case one of these is attached to a fan, will be connected to the three light colored screws. Always turn off the electric to any circuit you're working on and double check it with an electrical tester. A shock under the right conditions can be deadly. Before you remove the switch, turn off the electric and then mark the wire going to the dark colored screw terminal. We're going to attach this wire to the dark colored screw terminal on the new switch. If you removed a triple switch and you didn't mark the wire that's going to the dark colored screw terminal, turn off the power, separate the wires so nothing's touching, and then turn back on the power. You're going to find the wire that's live, and that's going to be the wire we're connecting to the dark colored screw. Now the power's back on. I'll test the wires. There's only going to be one hot wire, and now we know that this is the live wire coming from the service panel. We're going to mark this and attach it to the dark colored screw. Turn the power back off and confirm it with your tester, and now we're going to connect that marked wire to our dark colored screw, and we're going to connect the other three to our light colored screw terminals. Once you put your switch into the box, you can turn back on the power and then check it to make sure it works. If you're in an area with conduit where you have a metal box and conduit all the way back to the service panel, generally you're not going to have a ground wire. When you connect the screws to the metal box, it's grounded all the way back to the service panel. In most parts of the country, you're going to have non-metallic cable with a bare ground wire. Make sure you connect that bare wire to the green ground screw on your switch. If you're installing a triple switch like this style where you have an up and down, make sure you look at the switch. The top is going to be marked, and that way when you turn it on, up is on and down is off.